this group calls out 1,000 voices, 1,000 hearts, 1,000 minds, focused, empowered, seeking the one, looking for you, calling the one, return with truth, seeking the one, looking for you, calling the one, return with truth. Who will bring forth the word? This word will invoke the energy. Who will bring forth the word? Move forth and enlighten the followers. Dispel the dark, making all these blessings. We call out and bring to bear this contract that was written before time and space. By our guides who walk with us and teach us, who walk with us and teach us, we'll appreciate as the worry. Look forward to seeing your love shine upon this world. It is you who are called and you must walk forth. We have asked and we have given you this message so that you may find us. Thank you in peace, love and light is happiness. Looking for you.